This is a room tour of the Hotel Indigo in Kuala Lumpur. It's an IHG brand hotel. It was a lovely hotel on the higher end of the brand. Nice wooden key card. Beautiful room. We had an upgrade. Here's the bathroom. You can see there's a double sink, a nice shower bathroom combination, a window. Everything was lovely here. The toilet had its own glass door, which I didn't really kind of get, but it was interesting. Again, the double sink and the toiletries were lovely. They had a coffee service. They had free water. See, everything is very beautiful. There's also a hot pot for tea, a refrigerator. They had robes, nice wooden hangers. There's a place for your suitcase, ironing board, iron. There's your suitcase. Slippers. I had a safe, and I believe below we had a hair dryer. So lots of space for your stuff. Lots of amenities. It was beautifully decorated. You could see a nice couch, and as I said, we had an upgrade. We had windows. We were on a high floor. We had windows on two sides with double blinds. One was blackout, which was convenient. Took a while to roll them up, but it was worth the wait. This hotel lobby, we spent 4 nights there on points. I have the IHG credit card, which I'm going to put a link below if you're interested. I get some points and you get the current deal. It was a really good deal for this. It's $99 a year. Free anniversary night. Gives you platinum status, which gives you upgrades. You get sign-up points when you sign up and spend a certain amount. If you book 3 nights using points, you get the 4th night free. You also get a free anniversary night. You get a welcome drink or welcome points when you check in. So it's a really, if you use IHG brand, it's a really good deal for you. And you more than make back your $99. There were 2 restaurants. Walk Star on the 6th floor had a buffet breakfast. We didn't actually do that. They also had lunch. It was Asian cuisine. On a high floor was the Silver Monkey, which is an upscale restaurant. It was very lovely. We went there on the night we came in. We were a little tired, but it was very lovely there. It had great views. Here's the rooftop view. Beautiful at night. Here's the pool area, an infinity pool. See, everything is clean. It's beautiful. They had a hanging chair area, which was nice. Beautiful views. It was a large pool. There were lots of things near the hotel, very walkable. Here's the KL Tower, which was right next to the hotel. Petronas Tower. A lot of food around, a lot of little stores. We took a tour to the Batu Caves. You see there's a lot of steps and a lot of monkeys, but it was a very nice tour. We also went to the KL Bird Park. Nice birds. Everything was well kept. Birds were well cared for. Echo Park was across from the hotel. See, they have the walk among the trees. Saloma Link, we took a car to that. It was a little bit far away, but it was lit up at night.